Yes, I know it's only a mouse mat, but I thought you might be interested because I did do a review on another mouse mat that I bought some time ago, and I've done away with it. And the reason for that is because it started getting dirty and it didn't look very nice. So I thought, rather than get a mouse mat, I just use my table. But the problem with that is it makes sort of scratching noise. It's quite noisy without a mouse mat. And at first it was fine, and then it just started getting noisier and noisier, and I had to keep cleaning the mouse. So I thought I'd buy another mouse mat, a big mouse mat like the other one was, but even bigger. I think it's even bigger. This, or when I do the unboxing, this is 120 by 50 centimeters. Yes, quite big. And they do a bigger one. They do 120 by 60 centimeters. I know, humongous. What's the smallest they do? The smallest they do is 90 by 30 centimeters, that is. Okay? And I thought, rather than get a normal standard one, I'll get a felt one, because I've never tried a felt one before. So let's do the unboxing, shall we? And the other thing is, when I ordered this, it was out of stock, so I had to wait about a week or two for it to turn up. Yes. Oh yeah, I did buy it myself, by the way, just in case you was wondering. It's in here somewhere. Made in China. Wasn't expecting that. Move that out of the way for a minute. What's that say? DawnTrees. DawnTrees? Never heard of them. Until now. Oh look, they've got their own wrapping. See that? Very good. That's a good start. I did see that on there though. I did see they had that. It's upside down, by the way. So it's on a roller. It's curled up, but luckily they've curled it the right way round. That means it will lay flatter. And yes, I did give the table a good clean off before I got this, or before I laid it. I just didn't do a video of it. I mean, do you really want this? You know what this is for, don't you? For when you roll it back up, you go like that, click it together, and it makes it nice and neat. I don't remember seeing that, because I was just going to use that. In the picture that I'm looking at, it doesn't show this bit, but you know, it might work. It's a good size. It's a very good size. I'm going to have to move the camera out of the way and show you properly. And yeah, it looks really good. Like I said, I did have a measure up. I was a bit unsure about the bigger one, which is the extra 10 centimeters on the width. I thought it might be just a little bit too much, so that's why I went for this one. Like I said, I did measure it all up, and I thought, yeah, that one I do. That looks really nice, doesn't it? Let me know in the comments what you think. So with that, let me grab the camera and I'll show you what she actually looks like from afar and close up. But first impressions is exactly as they described it actually on the Amazon website, except for this bit, of course. I don't know why they've included that, because the idea was, you know, just have your mouse on there, like so. Give me a second while I move the camera about. So at the moment I'm very happy with it, but give it time, I'm going to see how it goes. I've got a feeling it might get really dirty really quickly, but like I said, I'm going to see how it goes and give it a proper test. So with that in mind, if you're thinking about buying one of these, I will stick an affiliated link in the video description, so it takes you direct to the Amazon website for you to buy one of these. And don't forget, it comes in several different sizes, so make sure you get the right one for you. So as always, consider subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified, and giving me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.